Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will solve the following differential equation x y cube dx plus e of x squared dy is equal to 0. Note that this is a separable differential equation. So let us simplify this equation. Okay, so it is x y cube dx plus e to the x squared dy is 0. So we can write it xy cube dx is nothing but minus e of x squared dy. Now what we will do, we will divide both sides by y cube. So to the x dx is equal to minus e of x squared into y to the minus 3 dy. And here we have extra x term, so we will divide by e of minus x squared here. So it will be e of minus x squared into x dx is equal to minus y to the minus 3 dy. So now take integration both sides. So it will be x e to the minus x squared dx is equal to minus y to the minus 3 dy. So for the first integral, we will make a substitution, which is x squared is equal to u. So then it will be 2x dx is du. So x dx is du by 2. So this will be e power minus u du by 2. And in the left side, integral y to the power minus 3 dy will use a formula which is y to the m dy is nothing but y to the m plus 1 by m plus 1, provided m not equal to minus 1. So here m is minus 3, so it will be minus y to the power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1. The left side integration will be minus half e power minus u, so is equal to, so by simplifying this, we have half y to the minus 2 plus c. So now put the value of u is x squared, so it is minus half e power minus x squared is equal to half y to the minus 2 plus c, which is the required answer.